You know, sometimes when you get a new beer and you're wondering if you will be able to handle it. Yeah, I have this interesting beer here, and that is a 10.9% alcohol volume. It's a Austrian beer that I recently found out in a shop here in Vienna. So after much consideration, I decided to give it a go. Same consideration is if I will be able to handle, then the question is if I will be able to handle this lock here. I got it from Mexico, and this is a Mul-T-Lock MT5. It's not the Plus model where we have the sidebars, it's only the MT5. And I was wondering if I will be able to handle it. I did, but let's have a look if I will be able to do that on camera. So I'll clamp this up, I'll open this up, and I will be right back. So, all clamped up, beer is still there, delicious and quite strong, key works perfectly, and that's the bitting of the key, 5 pins and an active element. So, 5 pins at least. So, cheers! And let's see if I can open this one. So, I can zoom in a little bit so that you can see better. So, starting with 1, gently pressing on the pin, gave a click, 2, nothing I guess, 3, nothing, 4, 5, 'that was number 2, I think I overset him, so release a little bit of the tension, so starting again, 1, 2, 3 seems to be binding, but I'll leave it for the moment. Somebody ate my pick. Let's have a look. Just try to press the active element on the back. That is, if I can go past the tension wrench.
Okay, that was the active element. Pretty sure that he is now pressed. So, 1, 2, 3, give a small click, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 again, 1, 2, nothing's binding, so either I did not press the back pin. No, it seems to be pressed. Let's just jam it there, see if that helps. Okay. Back onto our stack. 1, 4. It's number 5. 4. 3, a little bit binding, but not that much. 2. 2, 3. That was 2, that was 3. So that was 1. Okay, that was 4. Let's just make sure that the back protective element is still set. Okay, I got the full set, which usually means that there's only 1 pin that is left, or 2 of the inner pins. Okay, that was number 2. 2, 3.
Who is you hiding? Come on. Come on, show yourself. Okay, finally. Phew, took a little bit too long. Okay, so that was the Mul-T-Lock MT5 core. Not the Plus, that would be my next challenge. Let's see if I can actually get this boy and see what we can do. I'm curious to see what is actually inside of this lock. So let's make a mess. Or not. That went faster than I expected. Okay, I'm really surprised and pleasantly. So let's put this knife thing here, see if this works. Cool. And let's take out the core. Oops. Okay, maybe not that brutal. This was the first pin, and let's see. Pin number 1, outer and inner pin. And now I will try not to repeat the mess I did a moment ago. Okay. So, oops, stuff is falling out of this lock. Some ball. So pin number 2, 3, and 4. 5, and then the active element, which is, I will show in a moment. So the core, nothing that strange, just standard Mul-T-Lock core. Let's see what's here on the inside. I have some wording protection. Sorry, not wording protection, some drill protection, I mean. It's a half moon that is here on the camera, that is here, anti-drill protection. So let's start from the back. And it's the, okay, I think I'll need to remove the drill protection. Out you go. And then we have pin number 5, I guess. Oh, okay, so a little bit. Okay, let's make a very big mess. I will just take everything out. So the springs, they're just steel springs. I will leave them inside at least to make my life a little bit easier while putting it back together. So let me make a little bit of order in this chaos that I just did. And this one, okay, maybe this one goes here then. Yeah, and this one is here. Somewhat. Okay, so here's what we have. Oops, yeah, that was supposed to happen. Alright, as planned. Might take the advice of some of you that said maybe I should coat this in another type of color so that I reduce the highlight. So we have a T-pin like here with an inner one. We have a standard driver. Key pin is again like this T. Actually, all of them are like T-pins, and all of the driver pins are standard. On the inside, if the pin goes out, that is. I think they're also standard on the inside, but hold on. Out you go. Well, apparently I can't take it out. No, I can't take it out. I don't know. Okay, on the other hand, that is the active element. It's a very interesting pin. So I guess you need to press, when this was the bigger challenge, to press this small area so that you can depress it. But once that's done, then it's easy. And here we have a slightly serrated driver pin. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I know it was too long, but if you're still here, thank you again. Cheers, and I will see you in the next video. See you.